Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. After opening Microsoft Word file, we can see this kind of symbol showing there. And I try to write something, but always show those types of symbol, but not able to solve it. Today we will see how to solve it. For that we need to go File, then click on Option. After click on Option, we get new windows. We just click on Display. Always show those formatting marks on the screen. Going here, you will see those files are selected. Just unselect all without object anchor and just press OK button. After press OK, you can see your problem is solved. Now you can just save your file. Thanks for watching. To